Welcome back to Crypto Chronicles. If you're wondering whether to put your money into crypto or stick with traditional stocks in 2025, you're not alone. This is one of the most common questions I get from both new and experienced investors. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. But in this video, I'll break down the real differences between stocks and crypto, what the 2025 landscape looks like, and how you can choose the right mix for your financial goals. No hype. No fluff. Just clear strategy. Let's start with the big picture. In 2025, the stock market is expected to continue its slow and steady recovery. S&P 500 and global equities could bring in modest gains, around 6 to 8%, backed by easing inflation, continued AI growth, and a possible cut in interest rates. It's a relatively stable path, perfect for investors who value predictability. On the other side, crypto is entering a much more mature and interesting phase. With Bitcoin ETFs approved, clearer regulations being rolled out across major markets, and increasing institutional adoption, crypto is no longer the Wild West it used to be. While the market is still volatile, we're seeing real use cases unfold, from decentralized finance to tokenized real estate. Crypto is moving from speculation to infrastructure, and that's big. Now let's break this down. Stocks are backed by real businesses, earning revenues, paying dividends, and operating under clear regulations. They offer long-term stability, but they're often slow to grow, especially for those looking for faster returns. Crypto, on the other hand, offers potentially massive gains, but with higher short-term risk. Bitcoin and Ethereum have outperformed the stock market over the past 5 years, but they've also seen intense drawdowns. If you're going to invest in crypto, you need to be mentally and financially prepared for volatility. So which one is better? The real answer depends on you. If you're someone who wants consistent returns, less stress, and capital protection, stocks are a great foundation. But if you're younger, comfortable with risk, or looking for asymmetric returns, crypto deserves a place in your portfolio, especially the top assets like BTC, ETH, and selected utility-based altcoins. More investors are no longer choosing between stocks and crypto, they're combining them. A smart allocation strategy could look like 70% in traditional assets, 30% in crypto. Or if you're more aggressive, flip it. The key is diversification and regular rebalancing. Crypto gives you growth, stocks give you security. Together, they create balance. So, where should you invest in 2025? The answer isn't one or the other, it's how much of each, and why. The smartest investors aren't choosing sides, they're building strategies. And if you found this breakdown helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to Crypto Chronicles, and drop a comment below. What's your current portfolio split? Are you more into crypto or stocks? Thanks for watching, and as always, invest smart, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.